hopefully become a little bit less less of a problem to our working public. The other area that we looked into are what will be the effect on the remittances, because this is something that will affect the funds that are remitting funds from our workers in this part of the world. Karamihan ng remittances natin ay talaga diyan galing. Yan ang pinakamalaking working group natin na nandun. Hindi nila kasama ang pamilya nila kung hindi nagre-remit ng pera dito sa Pilipinas. It's a bit of a mixed bag in the sense that the remittances, again, it's very, very hard to make an estimate. Right now, most of these places, I would estimate workers that countries are presently working normally. Just a rough estimate.
I would say a substantial number, maybe around 80-85%, Mr. President.
That's what I'm getting. More or less 80 to 85%. Sinasabi nila, ang report nila sa amin, nagtatrabaho pa rin sila, na pumapasok pa rin sila. Kung hindi sila makapasok, meron silang mga work from home. So yun ang yun ang naging effect doon sa workforce natin sa iba't ibang lugar. The other effect of the other statistic which will have an effect on remittances is going to be the exchange rate between the dollar and the peso. So we will just have to watch that very, very closely.